In this tutorial, utilize the Manage Folder function to easily set permission for individual users and groups to collaborate with team members. As a folder owner, you can access the Manage a feature. You can add individuals as collaborators. You can also add a group to collaborate. Permission levels can be assigned to respective collaborator. You can use options to adjust additional manage parameters. For instance, folder expiry allows the initiator to limit access to the folder by date. With the Manage feature, experience seamless co-editing as the team collaborates in real time. EasiShare, your go-to enterprise file security solution.